When purchasing a property within a homeowners association or an HOA, it's important to understand the rules and regulations that come with it. These guidelines dictate what members can and cannot do within the community and are an essential aspect of HOA living. In this video, I'll explain what rules and regulations are, what they contain, and why they're important to know within an HOA. What are rules and regulations? Rules and regulations are the guidelines established by the HOA to govern the behavior and activities of its members. These guidelines are typically outlined in the HOA's governing documents, such as the bylaws, CC&Rs, and articles of incorporation. These rules and regulations may cover a wide range of topics, including architectural guidelines for property alterations and improvements, noise levels and quiet hours, pet policies, parking restrictions, trash and recycling guidelines, pool and amenity usage policies, enforcement procedures, and fines for violations. Why are rules and regulations important? When purchasing a property within an HOA, it's important to know what the rules and regulations are in place. These guidelines dictate what you can and cannot do within the community and may impact your lifestyle and personal preferences. For example, if you have pets, you'll want to ensure that the HOA allows pets and what their policies are for regarding pet ownership. Additionally, understanding the enforcement procedures and fines for violations can help you avoid costly fines and disputes within the HOA in the future. As a seller, it's important to disclose any information related to the HOA's rules and regulations to potential buyers. Buyers will want to know what the guidelines are in place and how they may impact their lifestyle and personal preferences. By providing this information up front, you can avoid any misunderstandings or disputes down the line. In conclusion, rules and regulations are an important aspect of HOA living. They dictate what members can and cannot do within the community and are essential to maintaining a peaceful and harmonious living environment. As a buyer, it's important to know what the guidelines are in place and how they may impact your lifestyle and personal preferences. As a seller, it's important to disclose this information to potential buyers to avoid any misunderstandings or disputes. By understanding the rules and regulations of the HOA, members can enjoy a pleasant living environment and avoid any unnecessary conflicts. As we wrap up this video, if you're ready to take the next step in your home journey, I'm here to help. I'm Camille Haynes, and I'm here to make sure your home journey is a successful one.